Let's take a look at let from ES6. The let statement declares a block scope local variable, optionally initializing it to a value. Being block scoped is the key takeaway. In code, it would behave like this. We're going to write a few different functions to compare and contrast how var differs from let. Inside of var tests, we're going to spin up a var called x that's equal to 1. I'm going to write an if block that always evaluates true so that we can see how this code behaves inside of a block. We're going to say var x is equal to 2, and then I want to print the value of x. I want to do the same exact thing outside of the block to see how it behaves here compared to how it behaves here. If we run this code, we'll see that var test x is equal to 2 both times. Why is that? So when I said var x is equal to 2 on line 4, it actually overrode the value of x from line 2. Let's see how this behaves with let. Let x equal to 1 if true, same as before. Let x equal to 2. So again, I'm going to print the value of x inside of this block, and then I'm going to print the value of x outside of the block to see how it differs. So here we see that the first time we do the let test, x is equal to 2. So on line 16, it's equal to 2 because we said let x is equal to 2. And then on the following line, it says print the value of x. That's pretty straightforward. But on the second console.log, we see that x is equal to 1. Why is that? Well, because on line 14 through 17, there's a block. The x that is initialized on line 15 lives and dies between line 14 and 17. So on line 18, when I print the value of x, it gets the value from line 13. This x is a different x than this x, even though they have the same name. Again, the x that is initialized as a let variable on line 15 lives and dies between the blocks on lines 14 through 17. So that's why this is 2. And then the x here has no idea what happened in the block here. So when I print x, it comes from line 13.